The biggest surprise for me from this generation's Huawei Mate 80 series is actually the standard version at $4,699. Everyone's saying this phone is amazing, but is it really that good? Well, let's unbox it first.
Look, and then on the surface of this box, compared to the Pro Max model, it's missing a Linglong screen, which means this particular phone does not have a dual-layer OLED display. On the back, there's a quick-release port. Guess what color this one in my hand is, even though I've already seen it. Oh, wow.
Let's look at the accessories. A transparent hard plastic protective case, a 66W GAN C2C charger. I'd still give this a good review.
Now let's turn our attention back to the phone. Well, we chose this color called Snowfield White. Honestly, this is like the Mate 80, my personal favorite color. Why do I say that? Look, its back panel material has a unique taut texture, and in the center, there's still a circular ring. But I think this ring isn't for wireless charging, is it? It's clearly just for distinctiveness. But because it's white, this ring isn't as noticeable, right? Your gaze then falls on the camera module above. It has 4 rear cameras with its 2nd-gen red seal, main, telephoto, and ultra-wide. But in the middle, it's axially symmetrical and there's a small circle inside. Don't you think it looks like an enlarged Mate 40? So,
I really think it looks like it, right? Now let's put it next to the Mate 80 Pro Max and see which one looks better. At the same time, I also brought a few other Oreo phones. Look, next to the X300 Pro, and then we'll put it next to the Honor Magic 8 Pro.
Oh, I quite like the ID design of this Mate 80 standard version. Moving to the phone side, you'll see it also has a flat frame, but it's matte, unlike the Pro Max. The advantage of matte is simple. It naturally doesn't attract fingerprints, and pay attention to its frame to back transition. You'll see it curves towards the back and also towards the front. And if you look from the side, you'll feel the standard version seems a bit thinner.
We also weighed this phone, and its total weight is 217 grams, which is definitely much lighter than the Pro Max. Next, its front is a 6.7 cm formation at 12.7 and 5-inch flat screen.
So, you see, its horizontal grip is a bit narrower. And it's the best feeling one in the Mate 80 series. Let's look closer at its screen bezels. The front also features a triple punch hole for 3D facial recognition. And this time, the standard Mate 80 has it too. The screen has 120 megapixel 220 Hz LTPO, 440 Hz is a high-frequency PWM, and it's 1.5K. But it doesn't have the Pro Max's dual-layer OLED. So would you say the screen experience is as good as the Pro Max?
No, it really isn't there. That one was instantly bright and clear. This one lacks that feel. But I can't say it's bad, it just feels like the industry standard.
It ships with Harmony OS 6. Under About Phone, you'll find its SoC is 70902.
The battery is 5,750 mAh with 66 watt wired and 50 watt wireless. We tested the speaker and it's indeed not as good as the Pro Max, but the motor, perhaps due to its smaller body, I even feel the vibration is a bit stronger than the Pro Max. Finally, regarding the camera, although it doesn't have dual telephoto nor that ultra high dynamic range, Mate 80 has variable aperture too. As for other aspects, we'll test them as soon as possible.
But I still want to summarize early. Don't you think this year's Huawei Mate 80 standard is truly great value? I really feel that Huawei this time to promote Harmony OS, they've truly gone all out. The future is very promising, everyone. Do you feel it? Bye-bye.